Hi children, all the three equations of motion we have discussed in our previous sessions. Now in this session, I would like to discuss some solved questions from your textbook, page number 38. So the first question, let me read out. The velocity of a body starting from rest is 20 meter per second in the fourth second and 40 meter per second in the eighth second. What is the distance traveled by the body between the fourth and eighth seconds? Here in this question you can see the velocity of body starting from rest is 20 meter per second in the fourth second and 40 meter per second in the eighth second. So the velocity is given here starting from rest. So the body, it is mentioned that the body is starting from rest and it's a fourth second after starting from rest. The noted velocity at the fourth second after starting is 20 meter per second. So we can take this 20 meter per second as velocity at the fourth second. That we can take as 20 meter per second as u. And next it is given 8th second, it is 4 meter per second. After 8th second, when it is noted, it has become 40 meter per second. So this 40 meter per second velocity at the 8th second, that we can take as v, that is 40 meter per second. So then next, what is the distance traveled by the body between 8th and 4th second? Between these time intervals, we have to find out the distance covered by the body. Okay, the distance covered by the body between 4th and 8th second. So the u we can take the velocity at 4th second, and we can take as the velocity after at 8th second. So we can find out u and v is given here. To find the distance, we have three equations. V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So what we have to find out? Distance travel. Distance travel is denoted by the letter s. So s we have to calculate. So u and v are given, isn't it? And we have to find out the equation to find out s, which we can use here. Okay, so to find out the s in the equations, the given equations, two equations represent s. We can see s in two equations. S is equal to ut plus half at square and v square is equal to u square plus 2as. But in this, to both the equation, u, v both are given, and time interval also given, but a is not acceleration. In both the equation, a should be there, isn't it? A is not given. So first we have to calculate a, acceleration. A is acceleration, we have to calculate. So the equation in which s is there, distance travel is there, in both the equations a is needed. A is needed, isn't it? But a we have to calculate first. So a acceleration is equal to v minus u by t. So we know by definition acceleration is rate of change of velocity, that is change in velocity by time. Change in velocity means final velocity minus initial, that is v minus u by t. Then 40 minus 20 by 4. How this 4 came? Yes, it is after 4th, between 4th and 8th seconds. So 8 minus 4 we had to, we got 4. So 30, 20, 40 minus 20, 20. 20 by 4, that's equal to 5 meter per second square. So we got A. Now any one of this formula we can use to find out. Yes, we can use s is equal to ut plus half at square, as t is given, a we got now, u is given, and so we can use s is equal to ut plus half at square, or we can use v square is equal to u square plus 2as also. Then how to find out s is equal to ut plus half at square? U is 20, t is 4 second, 20 into 4 plus half into A, what we got here? 5 meter per second square. So 5 into T square. T square means 4 square. So by calculation, we will get it 120 meter. So this is how the equation we have to calculate. Okay, so this is how we have to solve the problem. Now in the second question, a car came to rest when brake was applied for 4 seconds to get a retardation of 3 meter per second square. What is retardation here? Retardation means deceleration or the decrease in velocity. When the velocity decreases, then we say it is retarded motion. Calculate how far the car would have traveled after applying the brake. You know, after applying the brake, the velocity of the vehicle decreases, isn't it? So here, that is why it is retarded. After applying the brake, we have to calculate. So that is why it is retardation here. So A is given here. A is 3 meter per second square. Retardation means negative acceleration. So A is equal to negative of 3 meter per second square. Okay. So here negative 3 meter per second square. Retardation means negative acceleration. So T is given. Time is given 4 seconds in the question. And V means here after applying the brake, the vehicle comes to rest. It stops, isn't it? It comes to rest. So final velocity will be 0. V is equal to 0. So V is equal to U plus AT formula we can use. And then U is equal to U. We can calculate U. We will get 12 meter per second. Thus this is, and then U, after getting U, what we have to calculate how far the car would have to travel. So how far means what you have to find out? It is distance traveled by the car after applying brake we have to calculate. So distance traveled we have to calculate. Now we got U, V and T also there. A is there. So to calculate distance traveled, how is it? Let us see. So to calculate distance travel, we can use the formula S is equal to UT plus half AT square. U is, how much U is given? U, we got 12 meter per second, that we have to apply here. T time is given 4 seconds. So 12 into 4 plus half into A minus 3 into T square. T is 4, isn't it? Squaring means 16 we get. So after calculation, we will get 24 meter in this question. Okay, so the answer 24 meter. So the equation we have to select according to what we have to calculate and what are the given data. Okay, so the other, all the data you have to check whether 3 data should be given and one, whichever we have to find out that also to include it in the data. Then we can calculate 3 unknown and 3 known quantities and 1 unknown quantity will be there, and we can calculate the required value. Next question is, if the velocity of a car moving with uniform velocity changes from 20 meter per to 40 meter per second in 5 seconds, what is the acceleration? What is the displacement by the car during this interval? So to find out acceleration, U is given 20 meter and 40 meter is V. Both are given, T also given. So V minus U by T, you will get the acceleration. The first question's answer you will get. V minus U by T, 40 minus 20 by 5. So 4 meter per second square. What is the displacement? So after getting acceleration, U, V, T and A also given. So S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Use it and you can get the displacement. So these all are about the explained question here. And the next we can you have to solve 2 questions are given here in this question paper. Question that you have to try. Okay, you have to solve them today, that much children, and in the next class I'll be explaining more questions and we will do more exercise questions in the exercise question also. Let us do exercise we can solve tomorrow. Till then, bye.